Welcome back, everybody. I put out a video a few days back, and I got a lot of nasty comments. Um, Actually, one of them even called me a bigot for what reason I don't know. Anyway, let me show you a little clip of that, and then we'll get into this. He was only after Bud Light, not the rest of Anhueser Busch, not the Budweiser, not the Bud whatever or what I drink. This is what I drink. All right, that's the Select. You don't find it anywhere unless you actually ask for it, which is what I really had to do. Anyway, Kid Rock blasted Bud Light, then he bashed Anheuser Busch. Okay, now I understand. I'm not real sure if it's Anheuser Busch that's behind all this. I think it's just that one woman in there, Lisa, whatever her name is. I'm not really sure. But anyway, I went ahead and I changed my beer. Okay. Now I'm doing this. Hopefully nobody will go woke on Coors, because I'm running out of beers to choose from. So anyway, I just wanted to run that by you guys so that you don't get mad at me or, I don't know, leave me nasty comments again. But yeah, you do what you do. Anyway, you can leave your comments down below, and we'll see where it goes from there. Thanks for listening, and yeah, cheers.